Installing solar power on your whole home is a job for a pro. But what if you just want to light up an RV or a shed? You can install a small-scale solar power system to help make your home more comfortable and efficient. Now, whether you purchase a kit or you select individual components, all solar photovoltaic systems include solar panels, a charge controller, a battery, and of course, various wiring and cables. Now, this will provide direct current or DC power like you have in your car. If you add an inverter, you'll get AC power like you have in your home, and you'll be able to plug in items with a standard AC plug. And these days, it's really easy to include a portable power station like this one, which will store more power for use later. Now this should be enough to power our lights, a fan, and to charge all of our battery-operated lawn and shop tools. Now remember to size your system for the amount of power that you'll need. We're installing 200 watts of panels, but our charge controller is a 30 amp unit that will allow us to add a couple more panels later should we find we need them. Remember, panels should point south ideally, but east and west will generate power too. North-facing panels won't generate much power, nor will panels that are shaded. Now we'll install our system, starting with the panels. Since all setups may be different, follow all manufacturers' guidelines and proper safety protocols. I drilled a small hole in the soffit where the wires will go inside. From there, I'll pull the wires inside and run them to my charge controller. It's best to keep the charge controller, battery, and inverter close together to minimize the wire runs between them. First, I wire positive and negative wires from the panels into the controller. Then I hook up the positive and negative wires from the controller to the battery. Finally, I wire the positive and negative on the battery to the positive and negative on the inverter. Next, we'll marry the wires from each panel, positive to positive and negative to negative, according to your manufacturer's instructions. Plug in a load like my light here and try it out. You can also look at the display on the charge controller to see that the solar panels are feeding power to the system. Now our lawn tools run on clean energy from the sun. Plus, we've always got the power to tackle projects around the house. With the portable power station, we can even use it during a power outage or take it with us on our adventures in the great outdoors. Solar power is more convenient and affordable than ever. You can install solar to help make your home more comfortable and efficient.